So for me, the aspect that makes electronics and engineering fun is it's that creative outlet, that it's a way that you can really build something from scratch and enable it to do new things that you couldn't do yourself. So an example might be automation, in that you can use electronics and robotics to automate everyday tasks and build really amazing systems that allow you to be very, very creative and have that creative outlet. My path into engineering was started really at a very young age. As far back as I can remember, I've always been interested in the way that things work and how they're put together. And so earliest memories are taking things apart, both physical and electronic, and trying to figure out what's going on inside them. And I think really my destiny from there on in was set, that I was going to go into engineering. And so beyond that, I think it's always just been a natural interest for me from that point on. It really kind of led my decisions about what to study at school, and then my hobbies outside of school, like building things and tinkering, all the way up to university and studying electronic engineering here at Sheffield. So I studied for a PhD here at Sheffield University in electronics and semiconductor devices. So my PhD was looking into infrared detectors and how we can make them better. That led me then into something I could never predict was going to happen, into spinning out a company from the university to commercialise some technology that we developed and turn it into a product. And so that led me into a new role, a completely different role as CEO of the spin-out company. The technology that Phlux is working on really has the potential to change the world that we live in for the better. And that's really one of the things that motivates us at Phlux and all of the team members. For example, one of the applications for our technology is in self-driving cars, and it enables them to see the surroundings around them. And the ultimate aim for self-driving cars is it improves mobility, so people who perhaps aren't able to drive can access transport, but also reduce road fatalities. And so if cars can make decisions about stopping if a pedestrian walks out in front of the car, much better than humans can. So it's really towards that future of a better future, essentially. So my advice to someone looking to break into this area is actually just to follow what it is that you love doing, because that's really important for long-term success in a particular discipline, that you have to really be passionate about it. Anything else, and it probably won't work out because you'll get bored or demotivated and want to move on. So for me, overwhelming advice is to find that one thing that you really love doing and get really good at it.